Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to revamp your old twists and turn them into like a new style. Basically, I did wash my hair, so for you guys, so my hair is again, yeah, it needs to get done. If you're new to this channel and you like beauty and lifestyle video, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload. And if you're an old subby, you are the MVP, period. The items that you're going to need are, if you wash your hair, you're gonna definitely need to moisturize, and I'm going to use the T-Gin, I think that's what I say, buttercream daily moisturizer. I love this stuff, it's very thick and creamy. I think it leaves white residue, so kind of not use so much if you're using that. I'm going to use my edge control just to get the hair together, because you know my hair is fuzzy at the root, so you want to be able to gather them up together. The hair that I'm going to be using is from Afri Boho Passion Twist, and the style is already, it's a crocheted hair, so the style is already there, so all I need to do is crochet it inside my hair. You're going to need your crochet needles, some cool, yeah, and that's it. So we're going to start the process. I'm going to do the back, and then I'm going to show you how the front, how I do it. So we're going to work our way to the front. First we're going to moisturize. Then you want to take the edge control, you want to bring in the hair, put it around the base of the hair. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is how it's looking. Alright, so we're gonna take our crochet. So we're gonna take our crochet needle, put it in, and then put it on there, close it, pull it through, and then we're going to bring all the hair through the loop. You could do it one more time just to make sure. Then you want to pull things neat. So now you want to take this hair and just start twisting it. That's basically what I'm going to start twisting it. Twisting it. Alright, so if you're using this here and you see these curly pieces, you want to move them out the way. So you see, so I have from here to here to twist it around, and once I reach here, then I'm gonna skip here and just continue down here. Alright, so this is how the hair is looking. I'm gonna moisturize the hair. Then we're gonna take our jam, brush that out of the way. Take our jam and so bam. Gonna bring it over 2 times. Then gonna let it go, and then after we do that, then we're gonna just start twisting. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you were able to learn something from this video. I'm really happy I'm able to like restyle my hair without taking it down. I washed it, moisturize it, I even deep condition it with that hair in there, you know. So the next time I remove this hair, it's just gonna be taking out everything to do another style. So guys, if you're new here and you love beauty and lifestyle videos, remember to subscribe and turn on the post notification so you never miss an upload from me. And if you're a oldie but goodie, you are the MVP, period. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.